We guide you through how to find your Discord two-factor authentication backup codes. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Discord on your desktop or browser and log in into your account. Then click the gear icon at the bottom left to open user settings. From there, go to my account section and look for enable two-factor or view backup codes, depending on whether you already set it up. If 2FA is already enabled, simply click View Backup Codes and enter your password to reveal your codes. Make sure to download or copy them and store them somewhere safe like a password manager or offline note because each code can only be used once. If you haven't enabled 2FA yet, click Enable Two-Factor Auth and follow the steps using apps like Google Authenticator or Authy, and Discord will automatically generate your backup codes at the end of setup. Always save these codes immediately to avoid getting locked out of your account.